In this video, we'll show you how to edit your video job ad with your logo, captions, videos, and more. Now before you begin, there are a few things you'll want to have saved to your phone. You'll want your company logo, and you should choose a version that will look good on top of your video. You might want to use one with a transparent background or a solid background color behind it so it doesn't get lost in the video footage. You'll also want to have any images or videos that you want to add as well. When you begin editing your video, you will see the timeline view where you can adjust where you want the video to begin and end by dragging the purple bars at the bottom of the screen. That way you can easily cut out when you reach for your phone to start and stop recording. Once you are done trimming, click Apply. In the next screen, you will see your trimmed video. You can add another video here if you have another segment to include. You also have options below where you can trim, retake, and delete. We are going to continue with this video as is, so we can click Next. On your edit screen, you have a variety of options to customize your video job ad. The first is captions. Click on the plus sign to add one. You will see a text box appear on top of your video and your keyboard will open. Before we add our caption, let's look at the options. The default shape is dynamic, but we are looking to add an introduction, so we'll click Intro. You'll see that the shape moves to a fixed position at the bottom of the screen, and you can click into the box to pull up your keyboard and enter your text. To set when your caption fades in and out of your video, you can either use the pluses and minuses in the overlay start and stop controls, or simply move the red dots. The dot on the left will mark your caption's entrance, and the one on the right is where it will fade out. Now we can adjust the font size with the plus or minus signs, and then we can play around with our text alignment right below it. If you see the hero text option, this will make the first line of text stand out by decreasing the size of any text below it. When you are done choosing the settings for this caption, click on the check mark. You will return to your customization options page where you will see the caption added to your video. And if you want to add another caption, just tap the plus sign again. Here we will use the default dynamic shape so we can enter a few requirements. Since this is dynamic, we can move it anywhere on our video, adjust the timing with the red dots, and you will see a few more design options too. Change the color scheme of your caption by clicking the color icons. Check out the font options. Adjust the size and alignment. Then click the check mark to add this caption to your video. Let's add an image now. Tap on Images at the bottom of the screen and then tap the plus sign to add an image from your phone. Choose your image and it will appear on your video. This is a great way to incorporate your company logo. You can move it anywhere on top of your video and resize it with a pinching motion. Let's make it full screen by tapping the full screen button, and then we can use it as an opening for our video by setting the timing with the red dots. Tap the check mark to save it. Now let's add it again to have the logo appear throughout our entire video. Tap the plus sign, choose the image, and when it comes up on your screen, we'll set the timing so that it comes in after our full screen logo. I'll place it on the left corner, and since we want it to appear during the whole video, I'll move that right red dot all the way to the end. We can then tap the checkbox to save it. You can preview your video at any time from this view by clicking the play button to see how your captions and images appear. If you want to edit them or adjust the timing, just tap on them to return to the editing screen. If you have a video to add, tap on Video and then tap the plus sign to choose a video from your phone. It will be compressed and then it will appear on top of your video job ad. You can move it around, resize it using a pinching motion, or make it full screen by tapping the full screen switch. You can also mute or unmute the volume of the video and adjust where it comes in and out using the red dots. Click the check mark and you will see your video has been added to your preview. If you want to delete an element you've added to your video, simply swipe left to expose the delete button. Now that we have all of our elements in the video, it's a good idea to add a call to action at the end. I'm going to tap on Captions and tap the plus sign to add just one more. If you scroll your shapes, you might see some seasonal stickers to add for fun, but today we'll add a full screen caption. We can type in our caption, format it, and tap the check mark to save it. You can easily preview it with a play button to make sure everything is just the way it should be. Then we can click on Next at the top to finalize our video. Now we just need to create our cover. This is what people will see before they play your video. Enter a title and then choose a style. You can just leave the logo option set to none, as this isn't supported right now. As shown previously, you can incorporate your logo in the Add Image step. Then adjust the font size and select a cover image either from a still of your video, or you can add one from your phone by clicking the camera icon. Once you've completed your cover, click Next to upload your final video. Keep the app open while it's uploading, and while you wait, you can add a video description. When your video starts processing, you can close the app or return to your video library, where you will see your video job ad and its processing status. You will receive a notification when your video is ready to be posted to your job.